Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be revealing all the secrets that you really want to know. Everything that I do before I place my trades, what kind of time frame that I use before I place my trade, because it is very essential and really good. So for those who doesn't know me, my name is Peter. I've been trading for 7 years and I only trade indices USD 30. Most of you guys, I know that you love it and you really like it. Thank you. Let's watch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, today I'm gonna revealing all the secrets how I analyze the forex market. There are a lot of things they're going to be looking at. Why do I need to take the decision in the market before I place my trades? I have to decide. I have to consider some factors. I'll be telling you all the factors that I consider before I place a trade. Like I told you, I'll be always giving you all the secrets, all the reviews that I tell you or that I use into the forex market. I've been trading for 7 years. My name is Peter. So let's jump in without any delay. I'm gonna be showing you what I do, everything that I do before I place a trade. Let's go. We are here on the chat, so I'm gonna be showing you everything that everything that I do. So without any delay in the corners, this is our trading view. Many of you guys, I really know that you really know our trading view. That's where we analyze the market. So first things first, what I really consider before I place my trades, there is a bullet points that I'm going to be mentioning over here before I place the trade. First and foremost, we need to check out all the time frames, because when you're analyzing the market, we choose from the biggest time frames. First, I only look at the monthly. I look up to monthly. I look up the monthly. Second of all, I look up to the weekly. Third one, I look up to daily. Lastly, 1 hour. 1 hour time frame, and 30 minutes. So in the 30 minutes, that's where I place my trades. That's where my entries there. That's where my key point of the entries. So but first things foremost, what I do in all this that you've seen over here and all this that you've seen here, I only focusing on them. First, on the monthly, I have to check on the charts of monthly. Secondly, I have to check on the charts of weekly. Thirdly, I have to check on the chart of daily, and I have to check also the chart of 1 hour. Then I execute my trades from the 30 minutes. So that's when my key points, that's where they are. Mostly I trade US 30. So let's jump in and see what is happening, what we have in this recently week ago. So this is our chart. This is our chart, because this is 4 hours. This is 4 hour time frame. That's where this market is. But let's jump in from the monthly. So from the point of 1 month, this is what we got. From the point of 1 month. From the point of 1 month, we only have this one. We have this one. We have this. So this month, last month we had a bullish market. So now this month, what is going to be happening for the next, because recently on this chart, on this one, we had a bearish market. So which means that we also had a bullish on the next month, but when it reaches to the highest highs, it couldn't break the resistance zones, because it has already reached to the resistance zones, which is over up here. It never break it. It only remains stuck over here. So which means is that it left us with a big rejection. So as you can see here, we have the big rejection. This is a big rejection. This is a big rejection to left with us, which means that's gonna give us the new direction for the next month. For the next month, we're going to have, because as you guys know, this is inverted candle. So as you know, the inverted candle, mostly of the times, what follows the next, when it is a inverted candle bullish, what happens? It happens and it gives another opportunity for the market to go higher. So but it left with a rejection, which means that going the bullish, it will be very, very difficult for the monthly. It has to go up and down, because this is gonna be taking some time to consolidate, because it is still building all the ways. Maybe it can drop because it left the huge momentum of the bullish of the market, which means that this month I'm looking for both buys and sells, but mostly on the chances I'm gonna be looking the chance of what? I'm gonna be looking the chance of buys. I'll be looking for the chances of buys. I'm gonna be looking for the chances of buys. So now let us see what happened this month, what is going on over this month. So now that was the monthly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what we got, on the weekly time frame, guys, on the weekly time frame. So remember, guys, as the market giving us the high probability in the biggest time frame, on the high time frames, that is the way we are going to decide whether the market is going to be bullish, whether the market is going to be bearish. But mostly our main focus is my main focus is the bigger time frames. So when you look at the weekly, this is what we got. On the weekly, we had this chart pattern. I think most of you guys literally, you know this one. You know this one I'm talking about. You know this one. This is head and shoulder. So this is the head and shoulder. It has already listed here on our neckline, but it kept bouncing from these zones. It kept bouncing from over here. It kept bouncing from this zone. 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 It kept bouncing from over here. So it kept bouncing from this zone. So this one, it is giving us the chance. It tells us that the market is gonna be mixed. It's gonna be mixed. So as long as it kept bouncing like this, so which means that we don't have much time to waste our time into looking for holding our trades. We just only looking for the short trades, buys and sells, because as you can see over here, it only left us with the bearish momentum, or the bearish for the whole of this week, because you know this candle which was in the recently it was up a doji, and you know doji, it doesn't have anything else behind. So let us look at the daily. On the daily chart, this is what we got. On the daily chart, we got this. On our daily chart, see what we have. Market has been trying to form all the bearish market, because it has already taken the bearish momentum. As you can see over here, it has kept start falling and making the bearish momentum here. So and as we can look up to the 1 hour, what happened to the 1 hour time frame? Guys, you're gonna be sorry for me. On 1 hour time frame, you see what happened? It kept making buys and sells, because if you can take this one, and if you can take on also this one, Look, this was the biggest momentum for the what, for the sell-off. But recently, you know that it was buys and sells, because which means that we don't have to hold our trade for so long. We just only need to take a little bit. We just need to take a little bit buys, a little bit of sells. So this is what happened. So from our key point on 30, on 30, so on 30, many things have been happening. We have been seeing many chart patterns, guys. I think next time we're gonna be looking up to the chart patterns, because most of the things that I consider before I enter my trade, the chart pattern. Which chart pattern am I having after I look up to all those time frames? Guys, thank you for watching. I really love you so much. I'm gonna be posting every single day my strategies, all that I use. Why do I need to enter? Why am I considering this one? I hope this one is gonna help you well. So please remember to subscribe and share.